98% of manufacturing organizations are facing a critical challenge: their data. For the majority, these challenges occur throughout the data collection and sharing process. 42% of organizations say they face difficulty effectively sharing data and insights between their teams. With data issues dominating, collaboration suffers, and siloed approaches hold back productivity. Manufacturing leaders agree that overcoming these barriers will have significant benefits, including improved product quality, time to market, and achieved sustainability goals. Automation is the answer. 41% of manufacturers say automating tedious, repetitive tasks, allowing employees to focus on value-additive work, is a priority. Organizations are eager to invest. 57% say they plan to invest in workflow automation in the next 3 years, emphasizing the importance of human capital. Uncover more strategic insights in the Advanced Manufacturing Report.